Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I found a new filming location on my bed. So this is always in the background of my videos, but I'm not at my desk because you can see like the whole room, and my room's a mess, so I don't want to have to clean it up, and it's kind of difficult at this point. But I'm going to be cleaning that up this week. I just wanted to get this video filmed, and I'm on my phone again because it's just easier, and I haven't found a way to put my microphone over here yet. This is kind of a split-second decision. So today is my 5 by fall update, the first one. So if you haven't seen the intro, I guess it doesn't really matter if you see the intro to Project Pans because they kind of go over everything and it's the same thing, you know what I mean? So if you want to watch it, I'll have a link below in my Project Pan playlist. Or if you want to see my other previous Project Pans, that's okay too. And so I have the products here in this little basket. And I'll just go ahead and get started. So the first thing was the NYX HD Finishing Powder. So what I do with this is like blindingly like not translucent. Even on me, somebody who's already translucent, this is like white. So I have to like dust it lightly underneath of my foundation. I don't remember who I learned this trick from. I think probably Wayne Goss, honestly. And he was talking about how when you put primer on, you put powder, it kind of binds the powder and the foundation together. It lasts longer, it absorbs oil. So that's what I use with this, because if I put it on like my under eyes or around my face anywhere, it turns white. So I'm not doing that, but here is the progress, if you didn't see it a second ago. There's quite a dip around where this pan spot is. And I use a really big brush now instead of like right in the middle. So hopefully this will get done by the end of the project. I'm not sure though, just because I don't use that much of it. Number 2 is the Kat Von D blush in Wish. And this is very old. And it's not bad. It's not breaking me out. It doesn't smell. So fingers crossed that I can maybe use some of it up before the inevitable. I'm honestly surprised that I haven't hit pan yet, because this is a really loose blush. Like, I'm sure if I drop it, knock on wood, it'll explode. Because when I dip my brush barely into it, it kicks up a whole bunch of powder. It's not one of those that you have to dig at all. Like, if you dig with this, it's going to look like crazy. So I have to like tap my brush into it, knock it off, and then use it, and then like, blow on it to get all the rest of the powder off. And then, the next thing, the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I'm in the shade Fair Warm, and today I was using it, and I can start to see, when you use up or you get partway through a concealer, you can kind of see like through the packaging a little bit, and I think I'm at that point. So I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to get this done by the end of the project. Because I remember, like, I had this before, and then once I got to that point, it took a little while still. Like, I don't go through concealer very fast. The next thing has the most progress. The almost said the NYX. The Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. So why I'm using this up, normally I wouldn't put a brow product in here because I use them a lot, but I do have 2 colors of these. Which actually, since I've dyed my hair, I might have to get yet another color. But this is in the shade Taupe, and a shade that suits my natural color is Ash Taupe. So I might have to go for like an auburn or something now, which actually, now that I just remembered, I have a brow pencil from ColourPop that I bought that was too red. And I like almost got rid of it. I have a bin of makeup that I was going to give to my cousin, but I keep forgetting. So, sorry, Emma, if you're... I don't think you watch my videos, but anyways. So, I'll dig that back out and see if it goes with the hair. Because this is like just eyeshadow that I put on today. I don't even know if it really goes. This might be too bright. I might have to find like a orangey or something. But, let me show you the progress on this. I didn't mark it because I thought I might accidentally break it. So, when I started, it was like about like that. I mean, it was not quite full, but pretty close. So here, like, it's twisted all the way up here is what's left. So usually when I use it, I have to use a lot of this because it's really light, and I have to roll it up like between each eyebrow. So you can see how fast it gets used up. It'll definitely be used up probably by the next update. Sorry if I keep looking this way because I'm on my phone, so it's turned sideways and the lens is over here, and I keep looking at the screen. I'm trying not to. And the last thing is the Lolita liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. I put this one and Lolita 2 in here. Lolita 2 has been like buried in the bowels of my purse, so I'm not sure how much. I mean, that one has been on its last leg for a long time, so I'm probably gonna have to call it quits on that. I'll use it a couple more times between now and the next update, and it'll probably be done. I might just have to get rid of it because the packaging is cracked, like this around here is cracked, and it doesn't seal very tightly, but it hasn't dried out yet. So I don't know what kind of magic is in these, but Lolita is still doing good. Usually when liquid lipsticks start to dry out, they get really, really sticky, and it hasn't done that yet. Today I'm actually not wearing this. It kind of looks almost similar, but I'm wearing Dusty Mauve from Anastasia. They're like normal lipstick. So that was it for this update. Let me know what you think if you have a project pan, or if you're thinking about starting it. A lot of people have commented and said they want to start Project Pan, and I think that's awesome. So if you want to start it, let me know. I'll check out your channel on your blog or Instagram or whatever, and subscribe so don't miss any future videos. I'm going to try to upload a little more regularly. I'm thinking about what days was I doing? I can't remember. Oh, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, maybe. I'm not sure about the Friday and Saturday part. I know definitely Monday, Wednesday, and Friday or Saturday. So, yeah, that's about it. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.